Oh, good morning. Tush coming at you. It's Monday, December the 24th, Christmas Eve day. Does this qualify as a white Christmas? I'm not quite so sure. I guess it's white, but it's trying to snow a little bit, so yeah, maybe we will have a white Christmas. Anyway, we'll head over to the garage and we'll give you a little bit of a garage update. Alright, we're out in the garage, and boy, it's been a long time since we've been out here. It's probably been about 6 weeks. I think my last video was November the 11th. And trust me, I wanted to be out here, but my work schedule and travel has kept me from being able to be out here. Unfortunately, I've been traveling pretty much for the last 6 weeks. A few thousand miles away from home, so there's no way I could get out here and work on the 68 TR250, and this project has been languishing a little bit. As you can see, it's I think the last video I made, I threatened to actually clean the garage, and I didn't even get to do that. I've got Bondo dust all over the place in here. I've got tools all over the place, clothing all over the place, so first thing I really need to do to get back out here is to clean this place up and get organized, and that'll make me feel a little bit better. This is covered with dust everywhere. The little heater's been on out here, so it's keeping it fairly comfortable. It's 5 degrees Celsius, so about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's been doing its job. Fortunately, we haven't had a real cold winter so far, so that's been a good thing. So the heater hasn't been on a lot, based on what my hydro bill looks like. And it doesn't look like it's supposed to be too cold over the next week or so. I think around -2 Celsius, I think, is the high. But I see on Friday a bit of an oddity. It's supposed to be going up to +10, which is really unusual. If there was no salt on the roads, we could probably get the cars out and get them out for a drive, which would be kind of fun. But the salt's a killer for these little old British cars, so we won't be doing that. Anyway, so really nothing happening with the project, so I don't really have a project update for you per se, but I did want to make a quick video just to show you that I'm still alive. I've received a few emails and notes asking me how I'm doing. There's some concerned people that they hadn't seen a video from me for 6 weeks. So thanks for those notes, emails. We've seen a few comments on Alin's videos as well. Actually, we had Alin up here yesterday afternoon, and we had a good day cooking in the kitchen, so I think you'll probably see a video coming up from him in the near future. So yeah, that was a lot of fun with Ellen and Nick yesterday. So anyway, I'm just getting ready to head off to my parents for Christmas Eve and for Christmas, so we'll be with my parents until Boxing Day. So I'm looking forward to that. We're looking forward to having some more good food. And obviously with good company, being with family over the holidays is the best recipe that you can have. Anyway, so I will, sorry for the little break in the video, but I wanted to sort of flip the screen around, and when I went to flip the screen around, I put my hand in front of the camera, so it's not like I've been doing videos for a long time. Anyway, I just wanted to take the opportunity while I'm out here, and really the reason why I'm out here is just to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and hopefully, I'm not going to wish you Happy New Year, because hopefully we'll be out here before New Year's to make more videos on this car. I do have a plan to be out here on the 29th of December. Lynn and I are going to come out here and probably spend a day, and we're going to try to tackle the infamous, let me flip this back around again, the infamous red fender problem. Again, not so much difficulties on this side, but tons of difficulty on the passenger side, and it's a bit of a puzzle that we'll have to have a look at. Anyway, again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and hopefully you're getting to spend that with your families like I am, and we will see you in a few days.